Hi and welcome, this is JamJar34 for my first video for a little while. So I thought I'll do an unboxing. Spire of Dawn. Yeah, this is the old Blood Bowl, no, Island of Blood set, re-released by Games Workshop, and unfortunately I had to get it, which is all cool with me because I love, I loved it, and with round bases as well. I've taken off the plastic cover and I haven't looked in it, so this is the first time I've looked in it, and you get that 74 sacrifice and slaughter in the war-torn realms of the Age of Stigma. Excellent. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a little look on the side. Some of you might not be interested, some of you might be, but you know, that's just the usual wing ding. But I thought I'll show you. It's very, very good for price. Very, well, I think it's well worth the money. 74 models, and just the usual Age of Stigma stuff. Let's have a look on the back. That's quite impressive. So I just love my high elves. We'll be getting into Skaven next year, so it's all good for me. Yeah, so you get the 5 Reavers. Yeah, just the old set. So let's have a look. This is the first time I've looked in here. I have not, I can assure you, I've been wanting to, but I thought I'd do a video, a one-handed video, just to let you know what's. So just bear with me while I right. So you get this little book which I'm going to have a look through later, and it's quite good actually. So yep, there you go. Cool. Oh my god, look, got round bases, more round bases, more round bases, and you also get square ones. Didn't think it said we get these. I didn't actually think that you actually would get round and square in this box. So still the same quality as before. Sprue after sprue after sprue, sprue-tastic. Yeah. Let's see if I can get something in focus. Yeah. Reaver. Yeah, that'd be cool. Sword Masters. Little ratty things. I think they're called Skaven. Yeah, I know they're called Skaven, but you know. But it's actually, they've actually changed it because it's all slot in. You just push it in. Look, see there. There. You just push it in rather than having to glue it. I probably will glue it. Just keeps it a bit more. But oh my god. Look at all them bad boys. So nice. So look at them. You get one that looks a bit like Lego. Square one. You get all these extra square bases that you can do. Oh my life. So that's basically about it. But this is value for money. And I'm going to enjoy doing this. So that's my little unboxing for you guys. Get another video out, get get 2017 rolling like it should be just before. Just to let you know, Idic Beer, the beer man, 40k Idic Beer, is doing his channel, his challenge on his channel this year, starting at the 1st of January. Big respect to him. Bidding, and yeah, if you're not doing it, take part. You know, even just do one model and paint it, just to get the blood flowing from the Christmas and New Year time and start the year off as I'm sure a lot of us mean to go on. So that's it for me. I'm actually sitting in front of my TV with my little table, my little hobby table, so I'm not in the kitchen. And I will wish you a happy new year and all the best for 2017. So take care, keep hobbying, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, bye bye.